Probably will be rainy again. Look at the wind, strong. Yeah, I'm now heating this arroz caldo. I cooked it last night. I just chopped everything inside and I heat it and was ready. I just need to adjust the taste. Yeah, inside there is ginger, salt, chicken cubes. That's it. I'm still having the coffee inside, editing the video, and that is how it is there. You know, here in the room is very quiet. You don't hear the wind. Very quiet here. Delicious. You know, this is good with the spring onion, but the spring onion that I have is still not growing. It's still like that. It's been there for 3 weeks and it's still not sprouting. I'm going to make a flatbread. I have this self-raising flour and I still have this flour. I actually have a scale in here. Yeah, this one is from Kmart, but the battery is already not working. So yeah, I saw this this remote control of the camera, and I put in the battery inside here. Yeah, this one isn't working anymore. I have here some yeast, dry yeast. I also have baking powder, but you know the dry yeast is still not open. Yeah, we're using this baking powder. Also, the flour that I use is already self-raising flour, but yeah, I still wanted to put some of this. No worry. I don't like to make my hand messy. I put some salt. This is the garlic. So this is just flour, water, and yeah, baking powder. If you have this. Yeah, that's the one. Butter. 9, 10. I'm going to cook 3 and the rest will be in the chiller. Yeah, that's it now. And I have all this thing yeah, this ardado. Really good. It smells like garlic because of the, you know, the small bottle of garlic. It smells like garlic here. We are going outside to buy something in the grocery. I don't know. Maybe there will be no rain. The weather said that there will be a rain from 8 o'clock adjusted to 9 o'clock, 10, 11, 12, already 3 o'clock, and there is no rain, but the sky is really dark. Wow, look at that. It really looks like it's going to rain. Okay, this is the first thing. This is a chicken, $9.89, 500 grams. Oh, we're not going to take bread because if you remember, I just made the bread this morning, right? We are going to take one of these. Yeah, this is just $3. We're going to take again this one. This is tuna in oil and 2 in spring water. This is just 90 cents each. And we are also going to take these sardines. Just one. This is $1.70. You know, when I left the house, I checked the coffee, how much I have, and it's just around 3 portions. So I need to take a new one. Yeah, we're going to take this one the same like last time. $8. Oh, nice. But yeah, these are big. I can't carry this with my bike. If you remember last time, I didn't buy a napkin because big, and I don't have napkin in the house. And I'm now used to be using a napkin in the toilet. Oh, this one. But maybe this one is expensive. Okay, we're going to take this one. I think this one is $8.50, 4 pieces. It's all right. The last time I met Inigo, he said go to Walmart and buy siomai. Yeah, I'm going to take this siomai. This is $2.50. Yeah, 50% off. Going to take 2 packet. Yeah, I said to myself that I'm not going to buy of this anymore because this one is addictive. But I'm tempted to get one. Yeah, I'm going to get one. And one of these unsalted mixed nuts. That's it. I am tempted to go to the Asian store, but there is no more space on my backpack. Also here, no more space.
Are due to expire in just 4 months. So the Attorney General, Christian Porter, will oversee.
Oh, I'm going to put this inside. So it's like it's steaming. Yeah, it will be cooked in there. Oh, I didn't finish this donut. Oh, I finished it. This like candy. This like soap. Yeah, this is sardines in tomato sauce. Small package, but there are 4 pieces of fish. We're going to put some of this frozen vegetable. This is already steamed frozen vegetable, so yeah, just defrosting that will be good.